In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the constant of proportionality. So if we have a problem like this one that says there is a proportional relationship between x and y, what is the constant of proportionality? So we know that there's a relationship between x and y. We were told this in the question. And here's our table of values. Here's x and here's y. So the first step, and I'll go through each step, so make sure you stick around for all the steps. Two variables have a proportional relationship if the ratio of one variable to the other is constant. Okay, so step two is to understand that if x and y have a proportional relationship, the constant of proportionality is the ratio of y to x. What does that mean exactly? That just simply means you need to find y over x. Okay? You need to find y over x. If they have a proportional relationship, then you will be able to find the constant of proportionality by finding y over x. So let's do that. The ratio of y to x. So let's fill in this table. So y over x, 9 over 3 equals 3. And y over x for this is 12 over 4, which also equals 3. And you just keep going. 15 over 5 equals 3. For this one, it's going to be 18 over 6, which also equals 3. And then we have 21 over 7, which equals 3. So the ratio of each pair of x and y values is 3. They're all equal to 3. So that means the variables have a proportional relationship. So the constant of proportionality for these values is equal to 3. And that's it. That's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that will take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.